Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Columbus, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are comparing two popular shade options for decks and patios, pergolas and covered roofs. If your current space is too hot in the sun or too exposed to light rain, this episode will help you think through which structure fits your needs. Let's start with pergolas. A pergola is an open structure with posts and overhead beams that provide partial shade. It does not fully block sun or rain, but it breaks up direct light and creates a defined outdoor room. Pergolas can support vines, hanging plants, or shade fabrics, giving you some flexibility to adjust light over time. Pergolas work well when you want to soften the sun but still feel open to the sky. They pair nicely with both decks and patios, and they are often lighter in structure and cost than full roofs. Post placement is important. You want to keep paths clear while maintaining good support. Height matters too, both for proportions and to make sure the structure feels open, not cramped. Covered roofs take shade and protection further. With a roof, you can sit outside during light rain, and you get stronger shelter from midday sun. A covered deck or patio can feel like an outdoor extension of your living room. Because a roof carries more weight, the framing, posts, and footings beneath it must be designed with that load in mind. Attaching a roof to your home also means paying attention to how it meets your existing roof and siding. Proper flashing, support, and code compliance are essential to protect against leaks and structural issues. Once in place, a covered roof opens up options for ceiling fans, recessed lighting, and better protection for outdoor kitchens or furniture. Materials play a big role in how these structures age. Wood pergolas and roofs can look warm and traditional, but will need periodic maintenance. When these structures sit over a composite deck, you get the benefit of a low-maintenance surface underfoot. Composite decking from brands like TimberTech is made to handle moisture and heavy use, which pairs well with a roof that encourages more year-round use. To choose between a pergola and a covered roof, start with your climate and how you plan to use the space. If you mainly want to cut down glare and add a visual frame over a dining or seating area, a pergola might be enough. If you want to use the space in more types of weather, or you plan to invest in an outdoor kitchen or more permanent furniture, a covered roof may be the better fit. If you would like guidance on which option is right for your home, you can reach our team at 614-412-4686 or visit toughdeckbuilderscolumbus.com to talk through your project. At Tough Deck Builders Columbus, we design shade structures and decks together so your outdoor space feels comfortable, solid, and well integrated with your home. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Columbus. If this episode helped you see the differences between pergolas and covered roofs more clearly, share it with someone planning an outdoor upgrade and join us next time for more straightforward outdoor living advice.